what I have on my face right now is Black Radiance, and it is the concealer. Black Radiance don't have names on this stuff. Lots of background noise, and it is coming from someone cutting the grass. But this is my base today. And I set it with this powder right here, pressed powder, that I did receive in one of my boxes. So that's what my base is right now. I'm using this light blue all over in the crease and above the crease. As I say in the beginning, there is a lot of noise outside. So I'm going hard. I'm trying to talk as loud as possible. I have a big fluffy brush because I want to just reach. I want to touch a larger surface of my eyes today. So I'm using this big fluffy brush. For my shimmer, I have my Revolution XX Sticky Primer. So I already put that on. I'm going to use this flat brush. I don't know if the brush will work, but we'll see. If the brush doesn't work, I'll have to use my fingers. Maybe I'll use the brush to get the precise corner right here, the inner corner tear duct over here. And then I'll use my fingers for the rest. Because I love a good shimmer. And I know the shimmer in this palette is pretty. But I also want to know that they do work. This is what it looks like with the brush in the inner corner. And I'm just going to go over there with my finger with the rest. I already have my sticky primer on. Sticky Ibis Makeup Revolution XX. I don't know if they make it. It's a very old one. As you can see, it's almost done. Anybody having allergy problems this year? Because I have had my share with it. So what I have been doing is squeezing lime and drinking the lime juice as pure as it is. And that have helped a lot. But the inside of my nose is raw from wiping. So I've been putting castor oil mixed with petroleum Vaseline. And that have been healing the inside of my nose. So if you're having that problem, try that. Or you can also squeeze fresh lemon. I have used fresh lemon too, but right now I have limes. And that's what I'm doing. The pure dose of vitamin C is helping a lot. Sometimes I would get the natural vitamin C chewables, but because I don't have any, I'm using the lime. And that is also working very, very good. This is what the shimmer looks like. It's a pretty, pretty shimmer. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. I'm loving it. It goes on good with the brush, but I like an impactful shimmer. So on my dark skin, I don't like anything light because I don't want to look washed out. My skin tone needs good punch of shimmer. If that makes sense to you, hello. Today's I am came from the book. Today's I am, before I finish this eye look, it says, I am determined to accept joy in my life. I am determined to accept joy in my life. I went into this shimmer and this blue. I'm going in a black right here. I'm going to take the big brush. Hopefully I don't mess this up. I just want a little out here. I hope that you are determined. I hope I don't mess this up because I am trying not to mess it up, but I don't want to mess up another brush. My laziness today, let's see if it will cost me. And again, there are no mistakes in makeup. It might just turn out to be something better than I planned, okay? So let's do this. Always be determined to accept something different in your life. Right now, that's what I'm doing. I'm just going with the flow, and I am willing to accept something different, a different result if it goes that way. So far, we're looking good. We're looking good. It's going. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Never ever give up on yourself. Remember, you are 1 in 5.5 trillion people that is here with us on this earth. So you were chosen. You were chosen. The black is giving it life. Yes, I didn't go too far off this. As usual, I always venture out a little. And I venture out with a big brush today, big fluffy brush. And the results are paying off. It is paying off. But again, if you need help, if you need food, in this day and age where so many people are losing their jobs and money's tight and things, people are getting stranded with all kinds of stuff, please, I'm going into the brush. I use this brush first for the blue, but because I have oily lids, I usually go back with another brush to go over the color because this gets saturated, wet, damp. So that's why I have this one. I'm just going over here, over the edges of the black with the brush. I did not add anything else to it. I just want it to look seamless with the blue. This is a pretty, pretty eyeshadow palette. For the price point, I don't remember how much I paid for it now, but I don't think it was that expensive. And the quality of these shadows, I cannot complain. All the ones I've used so far, I have not had a problem with it. Today I did exercise, and for breakfast I had some cornmeal and a cup of coffee with my vitamins. Lip color is Gwen Stefani. It's a red one. I just wanted to bump up this eye look. This is the eye look for today. I use the Lover's Palette by Cosmic Beauty. 3 colors I use, we're recapping. This shimmer, this black, and this light blue. Thank you all again for watching. Please share this video. And remember, spend a little bit of time with your thoughts. Check in on yourself and see what you are thinking of and what thoughts you can change. Because when you listen to your thoughts and pay attention to your thoughts, you notice a thought thinking pattern. And with you listening and paying attention to your thoughts, you can eliminate some of the thoughts that no longer serve you. I will see you in the next video. Until I see you and you see me, I want you to know that you belong. You belong. In my description, there is a playlist. If you click on that, it will take you to the complete playlist. Thanks again for always supporting me. Bye.